Alright, on to the next calculator. This one's nice and vintage. Comes with its own little sleeve. And look at that, it comes with a pen. But unbeknownst to me, there's no brand or model on it. I have no idea what brand or model it is. What brand is the pen? Nothing. Let's see if that sleeve can protect it against the golf club. Nope, it just exploded just like the other one. What the hell? I thought vintage stuff was supposed to be better. Everyone goes on and on about that. Membrane. The screen still works. Oh, no, not anymore. Fancy sleeve. This pen. The vintage treasure. I can't rip apart. Yeah, no brand, model, or anything. So cheap.